What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today's the last day I'm going to be driving my car without a tune. My unlocked PCM should be in today, this evening, between 5 and 8 it says. So I should have that video up tomorrow with the first impressions of the tune, and I'm going to do a video showing how to install it. If you haven't checked out the video on this DiabloSport Trinity 2, make sure you check that out. But anyways, today we're going to be doing some performance testing, basically just 0 to 60s. And I'm going to be using the Trinity, and I'm also going to be using performance pages. As you can see, I have it there. So we're going to just be checking really to see what difference the 87mm throttle body has had, if any, since I installed it. So I've given it a few days for the car to kind of relearn and, you know, settle down and learn how to use the throttle body. Driven it in different conditions: fast, slow, normal driving, track mode, sport, all of that. So it should be pretty much set. I'm not expecting a whole lot. I would like to get these numbers here down though. As you can see, the last was a 7.4, 5.3, and the recent 6.4. So realistically, I would just like to keep it in the 6s without getting a 7.4. Hopefully we can do that. After the tune, especially the custom tune that I put on, I'd like to keep it under 6. So we'll see what happens today. Like I said, I'm not expecting a whole lot because it's not tuned yet, but we'll see what happens. So let's go ahead and do a few runs. All right, here we go. Yeah, there's too much dirt right there, man. I'm slipping and sliding. Forget that. .79. It's too much damp. We're gonna try it again. Got off late. I got off way late, brother. Those are some terrible runs, dude, but I'm getting off the line late. I'll show you guys the performance pages, which I think is more accurate, because the performance pages picks up from when you actually start accelerating. The DiabloSport uses a tree, and I was getting off a little bit late, so my time was not really great. So up here, 5.7, 5.8. So that's pretty impressive, actually. I'm happy with that. 5.7, 5.8, I got it under 6, which is much better than what I was doing before the 87mm throttle body. So I'm pretty happy with that, actually. Once we get the tune on, I'll test it out again, but I'm pretty happy with those runs. It's not bad. As you can see, 5.7, 5.8 were the last times, and again up here my best was 5.3. Yeah, so I'm happy with that. I wanted to get below 6 seconds consistently, and I was able to do that. Now, and also I'm not in ideal conditions either. You know, I'm doing these runs on a back road, and there was a little bit of dirt and dust that kind of threw off the timing there. The DiabloSport, I did get some footage from there. Let me see if I can figure out how to get save tickets. There we go. So it only recorded one. The first one was about 6, 7, I think. This one shows 7 seconds, but this one does a countdown tree and it, before I even hit the accelerator, it was already counting down. Whereas performance pages actually starts when you hit the accelerator, which I like that a lot better. I need to see if there's a setting on the DiabloSport to change that. But yeah, you can see here 5.7 was the last run, and the one before that was 5.8. So we're below 6 seconds consistently, I'll say. I did a few more runs on the DiabloSport, but again, I forgot to save the tickets, but we're under 6 seconds. I didn't get the 5.3, but I really wasn't expecting that because I was being a little bit cautious, honestly, because I was on these back roads and I didn't want, to go sliding off into a ditch or something. Whereas the 5.3, I believe I was on the highway when I actually did that, so it was a lot easier to do. And we're going to get some testing out on the highway once I get the tune up there and see what we can do. But for now, I'm pretty happy with that. I would say the way it's driving and just the feel of it, I had more power, so I know I could get better than 5.7, in ideal conditions. But I would say the 87mm throttle body is definitely worth it, because with the stock throttle body, yeah, I got a 5.3 on the highway, but in these same conditions I was driving in today, I was barely getting below 6. I think one of those runs was like a 7 or something, wasn't it? I have to go back and check. But yeah, I would say go ahead and pick up one of these 87mm throttle bodies if you're in the market for it. So yeah, like I said, guys, my unlocked PCM should be in today, so we're going to go ahead and get that installed and get the tune loaded up. That'll be the next video. So if you're not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Give the video a like, that means a lot. Hype it. If you haven't seen that feature in YouTube, you can actually hype videos and get my content spread out to a new audience. So make sure you guys do that. All right, catch you on the next one, guys. Peace.